Hello everybody, it's Christian. I am so happy to be back. If you're new here, hi. If you've been around for a while, yes, I know I've been gone for like 6 months. I've had a lot of life happen. I can explain some of that in a later video maybe, but I am finally doing a little bit better and back to doing what I love, which is decorating. So I would love it if you guys would stick around and hang out with me. I've got about 5 videos coming up for Halloween, so if you love that kind of stuff, I would appreciate it so much if you'd leave a comment and let me know you're here, and let's get to starting decorating for Halloween right now. Good morning, everybody. Happy Labor Day weekend. At the time of me recording this, I have my house not really that organized, but we're going to change it. We're going to work on it. Princess Kate has been sniffing around everywhere. Toby has been sleeping in the little house that's still been here since last Christmas because they love it. And I thought it would be the perfect time to pull out the camera and get started on decorating for Halloween. Like I said, it's Labor Day weekend, so we got about 2 months. I'm ready. Quite frankly, I need some happiness in my life right now. And I love Halloween, I love decorating, all the things. So it's time for a change, and I'm ready for it. But first off, I'm going to get rid of all the blue, all the living room decor that I have in here. So we're going to pull that up, pull out the blankets, cushions, all that for Halloween. It's buried under one of these little cubes somewhere. Have to find that, but otherwise everything's been pulled out of the garage. Strictly Halloween. Let's see, there we go. Strictly Halloween stuff. Besides this box, this is fall decor. I've got like garlands, picks, things like that, for my candy corn tree, which I did a couple of years ago. Otherwise, it's just Halloween decor. I got my Halloween tree, which I have a video on that also from a couple of years ago. Front porch is all cleaned up, ready to go. And I am ready to go, I think. So here it is. Here's all the stuff pulled out of the garage, and we are about to start decorating because I need this and I'm excited about it. So let's get started. Okay. You like the tree? We're gonna make it all nice and fun, but you can't climb it, okay? Okay, I have my tree up. I could not be happier. This has been in the bag since 2023. Yeah, because I didn't pull it out last year for 24, so it's been in the bag for 2 years. I spray painted it August of 23, and it still looks great. There's a few pieces that are like a little brittle and coming off, but that's to be expected. So I'm proud of it, and I get to use it again this year for something that would have otherwise been trash. So I'm about to decorate it, and I'll meet you back here in a few minutes when I'm done. Well, hello there. Did you have a good nap? Trying to figure out what's going on? Yeah, everything's all messed up. I know. I'll never forget the time that I decorated the house for Valentine's, and he was asleep the entire time on a chair, one of the couch cushions somewhere in the corner. He didn't move all day, and then he woke up and he did this double take looking around the house like he was so confused, and it was absolutely hilarious because he's a cat. But I promise you, he did a double take because he woke up and didn't know where he was at because all the decor was around him. You good? Okay. I'm glad you had a nice nap.
Okay, so real quick here, I just wanted to show you how this tree turned out once I got the lights on it. And then these spiderweb lights I have on the mantle, I just got those from Amazon. So I wanted to get them all up and try them all out this particular evening. I didn't really record all that because I thought it might be kind of boring to show you, like, you know, how to make sure that lights work and all that. So I didn't record all that. And then, of course, I've got everything kind of where I want it so you can get the idea how I thought it would look, and turn the lights off, and it's just beautiful. So it made me even more excited to get ready to decorate. But I wanted to pop this in here real quick just to show you the progress that I made that evening, and then we're going to start decorating for real.
Also have to take a moment to show you my adorable Hello Kitty mug. Let's see if I get it in here in the light. Here you go. So cute. I love it. I love her, and I love cats, obviously. Okay, we got a little sidetracked yesterday, so I didn't get everything done. But I got all of my decor unboxed, and I sort of have it separated. This area right here is like tree picks and ornaments and things like that. A couple of things right there too. These are things that I can put in the trees. These are just like the bats I can put on the wall. A couple of random little things like that I can like put in little trinkets to put in baskets or something. And then this whole area right here is just like tabletop decor type things. Got a bunch of pumpkins. What else? I've got lights, a couple of outside lights and flowers, like branches to put in something. I've got my outside stuff kind of accumulated right here. Some stuffed animals. And then these are things that I'm probably gonna have to hot glue back together. I made that house last year. And then a couple of years ago, I made this topiary with Jack and Sally and Oogie Boogie. It kind of came apart. This was also hot glued together last year. So all that's gonna have to be glued back together. And everything else is kind of sorted into my little sections. Oh, I went ahead and changed out this. I think I still had the green lampshade on it from something, but I changed it back to a white one. I'm gonna keep that on it. Otherwise, I still have to get the blue out of here. We've got blue on the couch as well. We're gonna change out our lamps. And I've got my tree all fluffed out. The white one is fluffed out, as always. And I got this yesterday. It works, it's cute, and I still have to kind of straighten it out, but I think it's gonna look good once we get it done. And we are ready to start decorating for real now.
Okay, so finally, here we are the next day. I promised you we'd decorate in this video, and we are finally here. It's been a while since I put out the camera, okay? It's been a while since I recorded. But here it is. We're getting decorating. I wanted to explain everything to you beforehand. You know, I usually just try to show you my boxes and let you know what I've got to work with. So we did all that. We have our tree ready, and we are going to start doing the mantle, and we're going to decorate the tree in this video. So that was my goal for this one. Just intro, get it all out there, kind of tell you what I'm doing, and then break everything up into a couple of different days. And I'm going to end up probably having like 5 videos, I think. I think that's what I've got. Yeah, so video number 1, just the intro, and then the mantle, and then the tree. Video number 2, we're going to finish up the living room and kind of put it all together and show you how pretty and cozy and festive it is, so I can sit around and watch Halloween movies for the next couple of weeks. And then, as always, I do my front porch and my entryway, which is probably my favorite things to decorate. I think I kind of like my entryway a little bit more than decorating outside, but I really love doing them both. So I'm going to have those for you very soon. And then I think I'm gonna do a tour of the house and how everything looks once I put it together. I'm thinking, let me know in the comments what you think. I'm thinking about kind of doing two, like one where I just don't talk and go through the house and show you the decor, and then another one where I can just kind of go through the house a little slower and point out different things, like where I got it, or if it's kind of unique, how or why it's important, or if I made it, kind of maybe explain how or where I got pieces or whatever to make it. I don't know. Let me know if you're interested. If not, just don't tell me you're not. Don't tell me, because that's rude. Don't be rude. But yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. But if not, I'm still gonna kind of show you how everything turned out at the very end of the series of videos. And as always, at the end of each video, I show you how it all looks for the portion that I just did. But that's my plan for the next month. And then of course we're gonna do Christmas, and I'm gonna have a couple of different videos out for that for November and December. And beyond that, I'm gonna kind of regroup and kind of decide what I would like to do for 2026. Like I said, I'm gonna maybe try to explain where I've been for the past few months if you care. If not, don't watch that video. But yeah, that's kind of my plan for the next few months. Anyways, now that I've been rambling, I don't know if you can hear my cat in the background. He's screaming. If you can hear that, I apologize. The majority of this stuff I ended up getting from the Dollar Tree or Temu, believe it or not. Maybe you do. Maybe you think it looks cheap. Hopefully not. I try not to be cheap, but I don't like spending a whole lot of money on little things like this if I can help it. But the signs, I think most of these signs are from Temu, I think. I think one candy corn sign is from Dollar Tree, if I'm not mistaken. The ribbon is from Dollar Tree. The witch hat is Temu. And then my late edition, this sandworm thing from Beetlejuice, came from Amazon the day before this, in addition to a tree skirt that's also the black and white stripes. I thought it was really cute, so I ended up getting both of them. Those are new, and I think they kind of pulled this whole thing together. I'm so proud of this tree. I liked the one I did 2 years ago, but I think this one actually looks a lot better. Oh, and then these cat pics are also from the at-home store. Those are new as well. I feel like I didn't spend more than $50 this year on Halloween. I just kind of used everything I already had. So that turned out good. But here it is, just pics. All these pics are from the Dollar Tree. And of course these green ornaments. I think I told you when I originally did this tree, those are actually ornaments from Hobby Lobby. Just I got them at Christmas time. Yeah, I think that's about all we got going on here. It's a lot. I think it ended up looking really, really good for putting all this stuff on it. I love how busy it looks and kind of chaotic. That's kind of what I was going for. So I think I accomplished it. But let me know what you think about my tree. I think it's gorgeous. And then let me know what you think about my mantle as well. And then we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna finish up the rest of the living room in the next video. But these are probably the things that are gonna take the longest to do, so I wanted to do them first. And then last, of course, I'm sorry if my tree, if my video, my camera keeps going in and out. It's kind of hard to focus sometimes with the lights. So I try to pay attention to that, but I did not notice it when I was putting all the stuffed animals under the tree. So I'm so sorry. A lot of that's blurry, but I tried to catch it for the most part while I was decorating. But I've got these stuffed animals under the tree. It's all Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. Got those various places, I think, like Walmart, Jack and Sally are from Walmart, Zero's from TJ Maxx, Oogie Boogie, I think, is from like Home Depot, actually. And yeah, I think that's about it. But that is my tree. And then I'm going to show you just a little bit of how everything turned out. And I'm going to leave you here with this partially decorated living room. And I hope to see you in my next video where I finish decorating the living room. And I promise I won't be so chatty. I just haven't talked to you in a long time, so here we are. But no long chatty vlog type style stuff. Just me decorating for a little bit and finishing the living room and showing you how it all turns out. So maybe if you prefer that better, please come back and watch that. And like I said, I've got more videos coming up. But this is how everything turned out for this first video. And I hope to see you again real soon for all the rest of the Halloween stuff that I want to get out there for you. Until then, have a wonderful evening and take care. Thanks, guys. Bye.